I'm going to be showing you how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to an Android. So transferring WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android is really easy, but it requires following the official WhatsApp migration method. So what you need to do is make sure that your Android device is new or reset to factory settings, and you need to use the latest version of WhatsApp in your iPhone. So the first step is to prepare your Android. Just turn on your Android device and follow initial setup, and when prompted, you need to connect your iPhone using a Lightning or USB-C cable and just open WhatsApp on iPhone. Go to the bottom right where you can see settings, and right below privacy you have chats. Just tap on chats and just scroll down till you find the option of move chats to Android right over here. So go ahead and tap here and tap on start, and as you can see, it's preparing. So in this way you can successfully transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to an Android. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.